Hi, it's Ruth Sarah, and I'm very honoured today to share with you the Hubman and Chubgirl Christmas Advent Calendar. It's their biggest launch of the year and it gives you the ultimate unboxing experience. So it's perfect for a gift for loved ones or just for yourself. And you get 25 individually wrapped stationery gifts that you can open one each day, right from December 1st through to the 25th. And all the cute illustrations and characters are hand drawn by Chubgirl, and the products won't be available to purchase separately. So if you want these, you have to get them through the Advent. And it's a holiday baking themed collection, and I cannot wait to open these. So your box will come with a protective sleeve over it. The designs on the front of this are the same as the designs on the box itself. The only difference is the actual box is thicker cardstock. It's really good quality. And the front little part that says Holiday Baking Stationery Advent Calendar is magnetic. And when you open it up, you reveal 4 individual drawers, and each of the drawers has a design with a theme and gold foiling, which says which days. So day 1 to day 7 is the top, right down to day 21 to day 25. There's a little ribbon that you pull to open each drawer, and your stationery is individually wrapped with the day number on top of it.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place.
The attention to detail on this and the quality and the feel is just unbelievable, and you really will feel like you're spoiling yourself or spoiling your loved one. You can see the care that has been taken even in the individual packaging, with the doodles on the envelope and the metallic foiled number on the front.
There's a song of love traveling afar.
And some of the envelopes even have metallic foil all over it in the details and the doodles. So make sure you use my link for 15% off ruthsarahltd on your first order. And my link is in the description if you want to check it out. And now I get to share 8 of them with you. I'm going to open 8 at random. But if you don't want spoilers and you want it all to be a surprise, this is your warning to stop watching.
The moment of surrender.
Let's open number 4. What? Oh! Very cute. Baking themed gift tags. Although I don't know whether I would want to give them away. But you could. And then it has a candy cane style thread that you attach them with. But you could use them in a journal spread if you didn't want to give them away on a present. Something really creative could be done with them. They're very thick. They're like a cardstock, really good quality. So you get 2 of the bear, 2 of this little kind of bear holding cupcakes, 2 of the rabbit baking, 2 of the cat, and 2 of this cat with Yule dogs and Christmas puddings. Lovely. Number 6. Yay, stickers! I knew there would be. I would have been more shocked if there wasn't. Holiday baking time. Gorgeous sticker sheets with measuring spoons, a rolling pin, cups, different characters baking. This is perfect for me for a Christmas Eve style or Christmas week spread. And then there's the second sheet. And then the third, these are really brilliant for space fillers. You could create a little scene. And you wouldn't just get one use out of these, you would get several years or several spreads across various books. These are vinyl stickers. The quality is really, really good. Number 11, little bunny with the rolling pin and the whisk. Washi, yay! So we've got holiday friends and holiday treats. And this one is a 15mm and this one is a 10mm by the looks of it. So 10mm are really good space fillers, or if you have a period of time in a monthly and you want to run it from day 5 to day 10 or something, this is perfect because it doesn't take up your whole monthly square. And then this 5mm washi, I feel like washies just really set off spreads and pull them together. You can put it along the bottom, along the top, and you can use a 15mm as a space filler just the same as you can use the 10mm. A Santa cat, it's got little dogs. Oh, look at that dog. All little animals in various baking Christmassy things. Then we have day 15. Let's open it. What's this? Oh, a washi card. Very handy. You can keep it with you on the go for doing different types of spreads. You would just wrap the washi around it, and then you put it in a little, if you're using a ring bind, you could pop it in the pocket, take it in and out and do the spreads all year round. Or just keep it in a drawer or anything basically. It makes your washi accessible on the go in the Christmas theme, and you could keep your Christmassy washi around it. 17. Oh, this looks like more stickers. It is, yay. And as much as I love stickers that fill in, you know, really make your theme and fill in spaces, and washi as well to coordinate it all together, I also love having smaller stickers for the little awkward tiny space. Or maybe you're using an A5 planner, or maybe you are doing journaling and you just want that little tiny thing to say you're talking about baking that day in your journal and you want a little pop, but you don't want it to take up tons of room. So we have baking bundles, which is lots of various animals baking. Holiday snack bundles, all the animals eating snacks and tiny little cupcakes. Holiday friends, and we have the dog is my favourite. And then the cat, Santa cat. It's close between those two, but I think the dog wins. And then we have gingerbread and a rabbit and I think that's a bear wearing a mistletoe crown. And then we have holiday baking. So we have the little, it's like a confection oven, but it's portable, and bowls and mistletoe and a full bowl and measuring spoons. Perfect little accents throughout your spread. And then we have holiday treats. So it's a cupcake that looks like a Christmas tree, a lollipop, a cookie tree, candy cane, and a cupcake that looks like a melted snowman on top. And then 18. Oh, this feels like another washi. Oh, I am really enjoying myself. It is. Oh no, it's a different kind of washi. Oh, cool. They look like stamps. So it's holiday stamps. These can be used for the obvious thing of putting a stamp on your Christmas card, or as an accent in your spread. I used the coffee ones from Hubman and Chubgirl, as well as the bee ones from Hubman and Chubgirl, to add accents within journaling and within planner spreads and stuff. So these are really useful. Again, it's just different ways, and I love the fact that you have lots of different options, but they all coordinate and you can just really go to town with your theme. And then 19. What is this? Scissors! Hubman and Chubgirl scissors. I wonder what these will look like. Oh my word. These are like a bronzy gold. I'm really into this tone. I have never seen anything like that in order to buy it. They're very unique. And of course, scissors come in really handy for cutting out digitals I print, for cutting washi. Well, you know what I mean, they're scissors. And they really will come in handy, these. And let's open number 20. Gift tags. And of course you can use these for what they're intended as, actual gift tags, or you can use them as a pop in your spread. They'd also be perfect to use as a, say you were doing a Christmas gift list spread in your planner, and you could write to you from me in it, just for fun, or to whichever side of the family it is from us, or you know what I mean, just to put a sticker in the corner and then write your checklist and make something of your checklist of who you've brought presents for and who you haven't, or just use it for what it's supposed to be for and put it on the present. I really enjoyed that. I'm really looking forward to getting into these last ones in the last box, the ones we weren't allowed to open yet. And it'll be really hard waiting to, honestly, I think I might be tempted to open some of these before, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to wait to Christmas. So yeah, I hope you find that really helpful. I hope it helped you in your decision as to whether or not you want to go for it or not. Remember, if you do like any of these, they're exclusive. They're not going to be available in the shop. And I think this is fantastic for a small company ran by a husband and wife from an office in Toronto, and they've grown their team over the years. And I'm just so impressed with the quality and with what I've got, and I can't wait to start using them all. And I'm so honoured to have been given this early as a gift, to be able to share it with you. I am truly honoured and delighted. But thank you so much for watching, and take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye.
Go get snow.